Alright, today is Trigger Pull Thursday. We're going to take a look at a Glock in the Tupperware case. This came in the Tupperware case. And one thing about these cases, it's got that little tab there that makes you put the weapon into the case with the trigger pulled. So it can't be put in there loaded, or it can't be put in there with the trigger in the ready position. It also prevents the trigger from resetting. Came with the little brush. And a couple things about this. It is in new condition from a private collection, and it's got the date of January of 14 on it. Came with 2 mags and it has night sights. And I took it apart. It looks like it was never fired. I couldn't find any residue in there at all. So it is a Glock 19 made in Austria. Came with 2 15-round magazines. These are genuine Glock magazines. And I also have a couple of P-mags, 17-round P-mags. See, it's a 17-round magazine. I have a couple of snap caps loaded into this thing. And these magazines are easily loaded with the Uplula. Yeah, this is the Uplula magazine loader. Really nice. Like I said, I got some snap caps. See if we can do a trigger pull. I also installed a recover charging handle for the Glock 19. Makes it a little bit easier to pull out the slide back. Let's see if we can do a couple of trigger pulls on this thing. The 17 rounder does stick out a little bit. No problem. Let's do a trigger pull. Using the Lyman trigger pull gauge. First trigger pull, 4 pounds, 1.2 ounces. Let's try another one. Six pounds. Now that is a little bit heavy. I had it on the trigger a little bit wrong, but I'm going to try another one. Let's try this one, see if I can get it on that trigger right. That's better. 3 pounds 10 for an average of. It's going to be a little high. It says 4 pounds 9, but I'm saying it's about 4 pounds 3. These Glock triggers are notorious for being above 4, right around 5, so that's not bad. About 4.5 pounds. That's the Glock 19 with a mag, or a P-mag, 17-round magazine. That works good. So that is Trigger Pull Thursday with a Glock 19. This definitely deserves some cowbell. Knock-a-bop.